Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve YouTube playback speed changing problem. Let's see how to solve playback speed changing problem, not changing problem or not working problem. Open on Google Play Store. Search on YouTube. Search on YouTube. Tap on YouTube and update your YouTube app. Open on setting. Scroll down. Tap click on apps. Scroll down or search YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Click on storage. Tap on clear data.